Hi, this is Sandra Mock with John L. Scott Real Estate, and I want to take you on my bathroom remodel. I recently updated a 1960s bathroom, and I'll take you through the process with me. I posted a video after the first day, and so many people had so many questions that I'm making this video for everyone. So you can see what the process looked like and what we did to make this bathroom a beautiful place again. The vanity and the cabinets were pretty old and sad looking, but they were still very functional. So we used the Rust-Oleum Cabinet Transformations kit on them, and I was very surprised. It turned out really well. And we removed the countertops and sinks, and we put in new countertops, quartz countertops, and white sinks and new hardware. And then we had the pink bathroom painted white. And we went with a neutral tile and neutral gray and white in the paint. The true good design has a neutral palette so that you can go ahead and change your colors out according to how you feel without doing a complete remodel to get a different look. And so a neutral palette allows you to do that. And the last reason I wanted to take you through this is I think a lot of homeowners, when they're shopping for homes and they see something like a bathroom needs updates, they're kind of scared about doing it because they don't really know what it entails or what kind of cost they're going to be looking at. So at the end, I'm going to share with you the cost. I'm going to name all of the contractors I used and give you their contact information. So if you're here in Western Washington, you can always use them too. I highly recommend everybody that I used. They did a great job, and I'm very happy with the results. All right, come along this journey with me, and I'll come back at the end. Day one of the bathroom remodel. Holy cow. Flooring is all the way down to subflooring. New countertops and sinks and tile and shower and paint that pink thing white and have the shower installed back here. Yay! Pretty exciting. Day 2 of the bathroom remodel. Just about everything has been ripped out. Toilet, and it's a mess. So it's gotta get ugly before it gets pretty. Day 3, plumbing is in, hardy board is in. It's got all the flooring. Says we had a nice square and flat floor. Coming along. Woo. So day 4, we have some lighting, new lighting in up there. All the countertops are off. We went and got some tile today, and he's got everything set up, ready to get this floor tiled. Soon. I'm going to see if I can get the treatment for the vanity and the closet. Day 5, the tile is now laid, and I think it looks great. It's on the floor only, and we can't step on it yet. So that's all you get to see. That's all that's done. Okay. I got that done today. Floor is dry. So I'll have to grout it. And that's it. That's all. Just the wall today. All done. I painted today. I painted the ceiling, got an accent wall, and then all of this. So that's all I got to show you. It's starting to look good, huh? Starting. Spent most of the day doing a treatment on these vanities, and it's turned out nice. I wanted a coffee color, and that's what I got. Pretty cool. Anyway, countertops are coming, and white bathtub is coming. It's gonna get painted, so it's gonna be pretty cool. It's coming together, slowly but surely. I'm not, and we've gotten these countertops and sinks in today, and tomorrow he'll come and hook up the faucets. Aren't they pretty? Pretty. So we're getting very excited. This is a beautiful piece of quartz. Isn't that nice? There's no seam, one thing. Yeah, baby, that's how we roll. All right, that's your look. On day 11, we had bathtub works in to go ahead and paint that pink bathtub white. And the stuff they use is fairly toxic, so I really couldn't get any live video of him doing it. And he did do a good job of ventilating and taking all of the nasty smell out. And it was very interesting to see the process, and I'm really very satisfied with it. Day 12 was really about heading out and shopping for accessories. I had a perfect palette, a neutral palette, to go ahead and pick out the things that I wanted. And honestly, I went and I had a pretty open mind on what colors I would pick. I ended up with Tiffany blue as the main color, seafoam blue, and we had an under the sea type of theme. I think that's pretty appropriate for bathrooms. In any case, I think it turned out just great. And I promised you that I would show you all of the details at the end, the hardware and the sinks and some of the accessories that I chose. It really just turned out beautiful, and I know that my daughter is thrilled with it, and she's going to enjoy it for years to come. Now, I promised I'd go over the dollars with you. So Dell was labor, and he was the expert, and he was $3,200. And you can reach Dell at this phone number. He comes highly recommended. I've used him before. Seattle Bathtub Solutions, they were $671. And I felt like it was money well spent. You can reach them if you have a bathtub you need to change the color on or just update. And then New Look Elegance, they did the countertops and the sinks, and they were the most expensive on the materials of $2,498. And then of course the tile, the grout, the glue, the hardware, all of that came from Lowe's and Home Depot, and the total on that was just a little over $1,000. So we have a great grand total of $7,457. I hope you enjoyed my bathroom remodel. Call me if you need any help with your real estate.